Our Fiji range of shutters are made from real hardwood. They're available in all paint colours and stains with a wide range of options. And we also have our custom colour option available too. It's a very beautiful material and it's suitable for a multitude of installations and window shapes. The Fiji is perfect for larger window expanses, including French doors, patios and bifolds. And because it's a robust hardwood, it's suitable for awkward shaped windows and conservatories too. Up to 4 shutter panels can be hinged together for a multi-fold option. The Fiji comes in 22 paint shades plus new classic black and also 22 wood stains as well, so plenty of choice.